the sky. No better feeling than a colorful life. We've come so far.
And the main reason why it is time for welcoming our celebrant. Let's give her all the applause for Malia Atasha together with Mommy and Daddy.
Our time we rise, light up the sky, light it up, and come alive. Our time to fly, light up the sky, light it up.
Si Malia, ako, napakalambing nito, tungtong ng fiber, makit na ako sa taas. Pagbukas ng pintuan, nakangiti na yan. Kasi alam niya nandun na ako eh, alam niya paparating na
Ready
ako.
na.
Light it up, and come alive. Sun breaks and touches your skin. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel the magic. Breathe it all in. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Come so far. The future's ours. We're one and the same as the stars. Our time we rise, light up the sky, light it up, and come alive. Our time to fly.
Masayahin ko eh. Basta busog.
Basta busog.
Basta busog kahit kanino sumasama.
I open up my wings and I say, look out below. Oh, 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 oh. I know that in my heart I can do anything. Oh, 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 oh. I'm ready to soar. I open the door. Let's fly away. I'm soaring into the
Yung wish ko para kay Malia Atasha is lumaking, syempre, lagi may takot sa Diyos. Tapos yung good health, ayan, yung masayang puso lang para sa mga anak ko. Yun po.
into the great wild world. Into the great wild world. This is the great wild world. I want something more. I've been waiting for this moment now. This moment now. Somewhere in my heart.
Sa akin, wish ko kay Malia Atasha, good health din syempre, importante sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy. Mahal na mahal ka namin, baby. Love you.
Gold. Let's go beyond into the open road. We're chasing the light and with me, my guide, into the great wild world.
Happy birthday, Malia Atasha! Welcome to the Christian world!
To the great wild world. This is the great wild world.